Well, welcome back. It's just me today for the next day and a half. Almost a day and a half. I'll be out here by myself. It's actually like 10 to 12 to midnight. It's almost midnight. I got off work, come out, and I set up here in the dark. Hopefully I'm in the right spot because I don't feel like moving at almost midnight. I still got to get set up. I got to bring some more stuff in, but I wanted to set up at least one deadline. I'm here. I've seen the odd mark already. Seeing something on the bottom. Doesn't look very big, but what I want to do is get fishing, and I'll grab a minnow and get the one dead stick going. I still got more stuff to bring in, but I wanted to get one line fishing and see if we couldn't snag one here while I'm finishing getting ready. I got to bring in some more gear and want to put some more mats on the ground and just make it a little more comfy. But while I'm doing that, I've got enough set up here that I can get one dead stick in. So I'll probably leave that running for a little bit while I set up, and then maybe I'll set up the Sony for a while. And we'll chat a bit more once I get a little more organized. But it's important to get a dead stick in and get fishing. Well, I'm finally all set up. I've got everything more or less organized here. I just got the one GoPro going here right now. I think tomorrow I'll get the other camera going and some better audio. But for tonight, just kind of tired out. Took a while, got off work, loaded everything up, got out here. So it's 1 o'clock in the morning now. And I'm gonna I'll fish for an hour, and then I'll probably try and get some sleep and hit the morning bite. But yeah, I got about a day and a half here out by myself, and then Trish is gonna come and join me in about a day and a half. And so I'm out trying to catch a few fish for that Lake of the Prairies Ice Cup. And I got my work cut out for me. I've got 3 entered, but nothing big, a 20, 21, a 22, something like that. Not very good. I need some big fish. What's the score now? Yeah, Clayton Schick is in first place. He's got 130.75 for his top 5 fish. Second place, 126 by Jason Ura. And then Murray. It's got 121.75, 121.25 by Glenn Wicklin. Yeah, there's I got my work cut out for me, so I don't know if I can crack that top 5. Clayton set the bar pretty high. But if nothing else, I'll try and put together a respectable top 5 and see where it goes. But I'll probably have the GoPro just recording. Once I decide to get some sleep, I'll just have it looping and put some bells on my rods and see if I get lucky throughout the night with a wayward walleye roaming around. But for now, I'm going to fish for, like I said, probably an hour, and then I might get some sleep. Nothing else. I'm going to relax, unwind, and do some fishing. Well, I think that's it. I'm going to get some sleep. Fished here for about an hour or so. I had one nice one come in, lost it. I'm pretty sure it was a walleye, good sized walleye, so that's a good sign. But I'm tired. I'm going to get some sleep and get up for the morning bite. Got a live minnow on each rod with some bells, so maybe I'll get woken up with some bells ringing. If not, I'm going to get a few hours sleep. So either we'll see you in the morning or we'll see you when the bells wake us up. Got up to go to the washroom, and we have a fish. I don't know what we got, but we got something. Just a little walleye. Look at that. Not what we're after, but Not too bad for what time it is. It's about 3:30 in the morning. Probably about 18, 19 inches. We'll let them go. Yeah. Got up to go to the washroom and got ourselves our first walleye. That's another one. I was just rebaiting. Yeah, that's another one. Was that a 3:30 in the morning bite? Is it a little bit bigger? I can't tell yet. Yeah, a little better. Sorry, the camera's kind of at a bad angle, but I was just rebaiting and got a nice one. I don't know what that is. 22, 23. I'll give it a quick measure. Maybe we'll be entering a fish. Can I get 25 out of him? Just under 25. I have to get a picture of that. Try and get a release of this one here. Well, that was a little awkward entering, but we got it. Might as well get the rebaited and I'll enter that fish in. 24 and I think a half he turned out to be. Good morning. We survived the night. Not sure how well the footage turned out, but I got two during the night, just randomly at about 3:30 in the morning. Yeah, I got up to go to the washroom and was puttering around for a minute, and I caught one maybe, I don't know, maybe 19 inches or so, 18, 19 inches. Then I was rebaiting and caught that 24, so that was pretty good. I realized I left one of my battery packs at home, so that's not very good. So yeah, so I'm conserving battery power. It's never good when you're away from home this far. But yeah, so I might turn the GoPro off and on just as I need it, just to conserve power. So it'll be a little bit of a inconvenience that way. But yeah, we'll get a bit of footage. Mainly this is to try and upgrade my fish in that Lake of the Woods Ice Cup Derby. So more focused on catching some fish and relaxing, and yeah, I'll capture some footage if I can, and but the main focus is going to be catching a few fish to upgrade. I got my coffee and life is good. That walleye I caught last night cut my finger. See if I think they prefer a jig and a minnow right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, they do. Let's see the size that is. Yeah. That's what I figured it was. Simmer down. I'll let you go. Yeah, that's not the size we're looking for. But a little activity. It was very slow for a while. Very slow. That's a little bigger one. That's a little bigger, I think. There we go. Now we've picked up a little bit. Now we've picked up a little bit. What do we got? Are you worth measuring? I don't think so. I don't think so. There, we got it. Give it a quick measure. I don't think so. Maybe 20. Yeah. Just barely 21, so we'll get an obstacle course here. Just barely 21. We'll let her go. We need bigger than that if we want to crack the... It'd be nice to crack the top 5. If I have a couple good days, maybe I can crack the top 5. We need bigger than that. That looks a little bigger, whatever that is. That looks a little bigger. What are you? Come and eat. I think you need to come and eat. It's going to the dead stick. That's a decent fish. I think that's what we're after. He's definitely looking at the dead stick. He's definitely looking at the dead stick. Lift it away from him a bit. Oh, I think he took it. Got him. Hopefully I don't get tangled in my other line here. He's here already. What do we got? He's decent. That's decent. That's probably another measuring fish. That's probably another measure fish. Kinda, yeah. That could be 24, 25 again. Close your mouth. Yeah, you can get 24. 24 and a quarter. That's all right. I gotta quickly enter this fish. Maybe it's a little bigger, but I don't think it's what we need. I don't think. Size a little bigger. Let's see what that is. I don't think it's a measurer. I don't think. No. Oh, come here. I'm gonna let you go. All right. Not what we need. Not big enough. Nice fish. Well, it's time to warm up some lunch. What do we got here? Chunky pepper, steak, and potato. I'm starting to get hungry. There's fish coming in pretty regularly. A few pike I've caught, some smaller walleyes. I'm pulling away from some of the smaller walleyes because I don't need to catch them. I need the bigger ones. And I have seen a couple big walleyes. I'm pretty sure they're big walleyes coming in. So that's a good sign. Just right now, it's 11:09. and they're not that interested in biting. So maybe this afternoon. But for now, it's time for some lunch. What do we have here? Oh, geez. That's a big fat perch. Look at that. I can't really see it yet. I'll show you. That fatty. Maybe 11 inches or so. Let me measure him quick. He's a touch over 12. Nice. Oh, where you go? Thanks, buddy. I was just about to eat my stew. I'll keep that rod out of the water. I don't know how my audio is. I'm charging my mics too. I might need a glove because I'm sure that can is hot. So I got my little table. My can of stew. And it's time to eat. Put the glove on the wrong hand there, didn't I? Mine just cooled off a bit. Not too bad. I got a walleye wound. I have no band-aid, so I MacGyvered one. Oh, that's another big mark down there. Oh, he's swimming away. There's some big cruisers. There's some big, I think those are big walleye cruising around. That's promising. I need a few more big ones to take a run at the top 5 or really get lucky, maybe even top 3. I'd have to catch a 29, 30 inch walleye to get, I think, to beat Clayton. They're here. I just got to get lucky. Well, a little update. Went and got myself stuck. I went for a little drive to just to make sure. It's very, very windy. So I took a drive to see if I could still get out the access to the lake, and I made it out all the way fine, which was good. And then coming back, I took the wrong path down to the lake and I just buried it. So I was fighting for like an hour and a half to get out. There's no one else in this area, which is kind of what I want. And I was thinking I was going to miss my prime time bite, but I got back in time. It's 4:15, starting to see fish move again. So now hopefully we can put a few fish. We need a few more bigger fish. I need, oh gosh, I'm in 8th place. I'll try and take a screenshot of that. I keep saying I'm going to do that and I don't. But anyway, it's prime time. Went and got myself stuck. I'm unstuck. Now it's big fish o'clock. Let's do it. That might be a bigger fish. Oh, I lost him. Oh. That hurts. I needed that one. It's been a while. Lots of little ones. Ouch. Yeah, lots of little ones. Been pulling away from them. A few big ones came in, but just not biting. That's the first one that bit. Just keep trying. Just keep trying. There's lots of fish here. They're just not biting too great. I don't want to blame the fishermen. I'm saying the wind has changed the pressures, high pressure maybe. I think that's what it is. I needed that one. That's bigger. That's bigger. That's a little bigger, if I can keep it pinned. What do we got? That's probably what we're looking for. If I can get him up here. He's not wanting to come up. Yeah. That is what we're looking for. Not ginormous, but it's an upgrade. It's probably 23. I'm gonna turn this other light on so I can take some pictures, and if that wind would die down, would be nice. All right, let's see how big you are here. Gotta open the app again. $23.5, eh? Turn the camera. And then the release video. Oh goodness, he splashed. There. Try and get him entered. Very poor service here, but I'll try to get him entered on 23.5. I will take that. They're a little bit slow tonight, but the ones that are coming in, decent size, for sure, decent size. All right, so that one puts me up to 116.25, puts me in 6th place. I still have a long ways to go. Got almost like 14 inches to go to catch Clayton. That's a tall order. But my goal is to break the top 5. At least. I don't know if I got enough service, if I can. I'll try and let it update there for a second. If I put my phone right there on the table, I get a little bit of service. Alright, there, finally it updated. Alright, so I've got 3 that are unverified. I'll take a screenshot. But I got 21.5, 22.25, 24.75, 24.25, and then that 23.5 I just caught. So I've got that 22.25 and that 21.5. Definitely want to upgrade them to at least above 23s. So we'll see if I can't do that. We're getting there. We're getting there. 6th place, unverified. You never know, I could have messed up on the picture or something like that. But if I haven't messed it up, I'm in 6th place. Not bad. Well, I'm going to probably call it a night. I'm going to shut the cameras off and trying to conserve some batteries. If I get a fish throughout the night, I'll quickly try and turn on a camera and show you. I caught one last night at 3:30, and actually two at 3:30 in the morning. I think it was 3:30 in the morning. But yeah, I'm just trying to conserve some of my batteries. I'm going to be out here for another day. Trisha's coming tomorrow, and maybe she'll bring me some luck, and I can get one of the big mamas. I need a big mama to climb the ranks a little further. So yeah, I'll fire up the camera if we catch anything throughout the night. Otherwise, I will hook the cameras back up in the morning. Not sure what time it is. It's only 10:30. I laid down for a little bit. I'm getting sleepy. And that is what we needed. It's another nice one. I got bed head and everything. Just gotta get the hook out of there. There's my other light. And my phone. You gotta let it go here. There. 25. I didn't do a very good job of showing them off to you guys. It was kind of chaos there when that happened. But I had one. Lost it. And then turned around, the other rod went off, and I got another one. They were both big fish. Last one there, 25.25. Awesome. Now, my bed head, have another nap. This here is the next morning. Unfortunately, I messed up on my audio somehow. I don't know how I did it, but I messed up on my audio. And catch a few medium fish this morning. Nothing really exciting, nothing that really changes anything. But the night before is when I caught that nice 25 plus incher, and that bumped me up in the standings nice. At this point I'm in 5th place, so that was exciting. I was really needed that fish. My top 5 were a 22.25, a 24.75, 24.25, 23.5, and then the 25.25. So that was a nice little bump up that night, and I'm just kind of chatting about that and explaining where the standings are at this point. And after this, I figure out how to get my audio going again. I don't know what that was, but he was aggressive, that's for sure. I've had a few babies move in. It's not what we need. Not what we need. Yeah, there's right at the moment there's a bunch of small ones down there, but I'm gonna keep going for a while. Probably another hour or so. Still nothing's changed. Still the same leaderboard for me anyway. I haven't heard of any other updates. And yeah, I'll probably go for another hour. If I catch something, I'll of course show you guys. And hopefully it's bigger so that I can add to my total there. But if that's it, yeah, Trisha's coming out. I'm going to end this video here. We're going to get organized, move over a little bit, and kind of continue on. But for now, this overnight, this little marathon is possibly over, unless I catch another big one. But yeah, until the next time, I'll catch you later.